Hey, welcome back to Crack's Country Cooking. I'm Ben. Today we're making pasta salad. And not the stuff that's in the box that you just boil and add the powder. First step, add 3 cups of olive oil. Well, I'm making a double batch, so you don't have to add that much. Now we'll add our red wine vinegar. We will add our dry seasonings. We will add a little bit of balsamic dressing. We'll add our Dijon. Now, put a top on and we will blend it on high. We'll give it a taste. This will thicken up when it gets cold. Now we'll put that in a mason jar and let that sit in the fridge for an hour or 2. So in a bowl, have 12 ounces of tri-mix pasta, cooked and cold. You want it al dente, just slightly past al dente. Half of 3 medium peppers, 8 ounces of mozzarella that I cubed in 1/4 inch sizes, pieces, 5 ounce of mini pepperoni, with stuff that's in the bag you already poured out. I don't use olives. I'm anti-olives, so 1.5 cups of cherry tomatoes quartered. Give that a mix. Now we'll take our Italian dressing that we made. Give it a shake. Now it's cooled down. All the flavors got to combine. Pour that in. And give it a mix. Give that a couple hours to set, and then we'll give it a shot. Almost forgot cucumber. So I'll show you a trick here once we peel this. So once you take your cucumber, you're going to split it in half, and you take a spoon and you go like this and pull all the seeds out. Do that whenever you're putting cucumber in a salad. That'll keep your salad from getting all watery. You can do both of them that way. Now cut the end off. Cut this end off. Straight down the center. Straight down the center. Just like that. About 1/4 inch thick pieces. And then we'll add this right to the salad. Now it's time to try it. Looks good. Give it a shot. That's good. It's way better than the stuff you get in the box. Not that hard to make. It only take 10-15 minutes of your time to do. So people are going to want the recipe. It's really good. It's fresh. It's way better than the stuff you get in the box. Hey, if you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Watch our past videos. We have more videos coming out. You can follow me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, of course YouTube. Hit that like button. Appreciate it. See ya.